Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to hide chats in Instagram. Sometimes you need to keep your conversations private or simply declutter your inbox. We will explore several effective ways to manage your direct messages, ensuring your privacy and keeping your chat list organized. You'll learn how to make chats less visible without permanently losing them, and when it's best to delete a conversation entirely. One excellent way to hide a chat without deleting it is by moving it to your General tab. First, ensure your Instagram account is set to a professional profile. Then, navigate to your direct messages. Locate the conversation you wish to hide, swipe left on it if you're on an iPhone, or tap and hold if you're on an Android device. A menu will appear. Simply select Move to General to shift the chat out of your primary inbox. To find your hidden conversations, simply go back to your direct messages. At the top, you will see two tabs, Primary and General. Tap on the General tab to view all the chats you have moved there. If you wish to bring a conversation back to your main inbox, just swipe left or tap and hold on it within the General tab, and then select Move to Primary. It's a straightforward process to manage your visibility. If you need to permanently remove a chat from your own view, deleting it is an option. Remember, deleting a conversation only removes it from your inbox. The other person or people in the chat will still see the full history. To delete, go to your direct messages, swipe left on the chat you want to remove, or tap and hold it. Then, select Delete and confirm your choice. This action cannot be undone, so be sure before proceeding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.